Hey guys, welcome to part 6 of this dam work. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is taking the top of this entire dam, everything that's on top of that liner, I'm going to be taking it off. And then I'm going to be taking these little beams that I have here, I'm going to get more of them, and I'm going to cut them to an angle so that they go on the edge of the dam to push it out a bit. And then there's going to be new liner, about like 5 inches of new liner all under there to raise it up a bit. So it's kind of hard to explain, but you'll see it all in the time lapses that are coming up. And basically it's rebuilding the entire top of that dam, because what happens is when I fill it up, it leaks all through because there's not liner all on the dam, because there's liner like here, and then on top of that is the dirt that I'm taking off, and it leaks right through the bottom. So basically I'm going to be redoing this entire top of the dam, so that's what I'm going to do. One last thing is, I know that I already said I was going to wait till I redid the pipes down there to do it, because I didn't want it to accidentally flood while I was working on it, but now the area down there is so destroyed and it's leaking everywhere, so I don't think there's any risk of this flooding, you know, unless we get like a huge pouring storm, but I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, we're gonna get to rebuilding the top. Alright, so this is what I finished with. Basically what's going to happen is I'm sticking the new liner. It's going to be under here a little bit to overlap it, and then it's going to come out a bit farther. And I'm going to use a beam like this, and then going to cut it in half, so it's going to end up kind of attaching to right here and coming out a bit like this, so that the new liner can rest on top of it. So I'm going to go cut those beams right now. Okay, so this footage is from the morning after, and if you remember, I said that I didn't actually think it was going to flood, and I was very sure of the fact that it wasn't going to flood, and go figure, not even 12 hours after I finished building this, we got a bunch of rain and it flooded. I was shocked, because even after a lot of rain, stuff like this hasn't even happened. So yeah, go figure, but this is what it looked like. There was also a little bit of erosion that you can see here. But other than that, you know, it was in good shape, so. Alright guys, so here's what I ended up with. I've taken this liner, basically put it over those little wood things I made, and I might even staple them into place into there. But I've also tucked the wood in between, or I've tucked the liner in between into that little crevice like I said it would, and then on top of here, you know, I gotta put mud on top and everything. So I might even come down here with a stapler and staple everything up. Yeah, that's what I have so far. And then, and obviously there's a lot of extra liner, so we're gonna deal with that eventually, but for now I'm just gonna keep it here. So yeah, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna wait till I start digging out that cut over there, and then all that mud's gonna go on top of here, and I need to fill in that eventually, but for now this has at least been, you know, begun to be redone. So yep, I'll probably get to making it looking a bit nicer off camera, but so it doesn't look like a giant garbage bag. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. You know, like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.